H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Stuff that we need to make. So the first software that what we are gonna have it as part of this course is JDK. It is also called as Java Development Kit. Okay, and the version what we are gonna install is 11, and up to version 17 it's okay. If you have from Java 11 up to 17, whichever version, if it is already pre-installed in your computer, it is fine. But starting from Java 11, the version should start with minimum is Java 11. First and foremost thing, whenever you get a new laptop or your computer, the first thing that you need to do is to check whether Java is already installed in our computer. So let's see how to check whether the Java is already installed. To do that, on the search bar, let me type CMD. CMD stands for command prompt. Open the CMD, right? And in the CMD, just let me type Java and hit enter. What is the message that you are looking at my screen? What is the message that you are looking at my screen?
Java is not recognized.
Java is not recognized. The meaning of this message is Java is not installed on my computer. Can you guys quickly go ahead, open the command prompt and check? Just type Java, and if it is showing the message that what you are looking at my screen, don't do anything. Apart from that, if it is showing something else, then the next command that you have to type is Java space minus version. Okay, again it will tell me that same thing, that is Java is not recognized because I don't have Java. In your case, okay, apart from the message that you are seeing, that is Java is not recognized, if you're getting some other different option, then type the second command, that is Java -version. Can you guys please do it? Check which do you have a Java installed already in your computer?
My computer is saying not recognized.
Good.
Even my computer is saying that it is not recognized.
Very good.
My computer is saying it's not recognized.
Okay,
Fine.
hold on. Is there anybody who is seeing a different option than what you are looking at my screen? That is, apart from Java is not recognized, are you guys seeing any other different option? If there is anybody, please let me know.
Yes, I've already installed Java.
Okay, which is the version that you have installed? Can you quickly check?
18.
Java 18. Okay, fine, that's fine.
I think I am also having the Java 11.
Java 11, perfectly fine.
I have Java 21.
Java 21, okay, it's a very latest one. Okay, even that is acceptable, fine.
Mine is
Open
version
JDK.
17.1.
17, yes, fine. So as I told you, the Java version should be above 11 up to 17, or the latest version of Java is 22. So
Santosh, when I search like only Java, so there is like the other like information is coming.
you're getting, yeah. So the next command that I told you, if
Yeah,
other information is coming, just type this one.
Java hyphen version. When I typed that, then it was actually, it is saying it's not recognized. Like there is no.
Can you do a spell check? Java should be in small letter. There should be
Okay.
space. After that, minus. After that, version. Can you do? I mean,
Let me check it again. Java small letter. You said. Then space.
Java space minus version.
Minus version.
Hi Santosh, my system got hang, so that's why I joined late. I restarted my system. Could you
No
please
problem.
tell me again?
We are just checking whether Java is in. I mean, we started with the installation of the required software. In the process, we are checking if Java is already installed on a computer. For that, we opened command prompt and we just typed this command, that is Java, everything in small letter. If this message, what you see as in my screen, if it is coming for you, meaning to tell that the Java is not installed. Apart from this message, if anything else that you are looking at, you have to type this command Java space minus version.
So Santosh, I have
thank you.
Java 20.
That's fine. That's fine. You have Java installed on your computer. That's fine. Okay.
Hi Santosh. I'm getting Java version 1.8.0_371.
You're a bit outdated, so that's fine. We will install the latest software. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Right. Everybody, just come back to my screen.
Hi, Shantosh. I am getting 19.0.2 Java version. Is that okay?
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So everybody, stop what you're doing. Just come back to my screen. Shall we see how to download this Java software? Shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. This is for the people who already have Java, or for the people who are like, just like as in my screen, that who don't have Java. It is applicable for everybody. Even if Java is installed on your computer, that's fine. Just follow the step. The steps are very important. Just please follow. Open any browser of your choice. In my case, I'm gonna go with Chrome.
Hello. Hello. Hello,
Are you talking
Santosh?
to me? Yes.
Yes. Yes, Santosh, I am getting the error messages. I'll read it out to you. When I did Java, I'm getting error opening registry key software slash in the directory Java runtime environment. Could not find java.dll. Could not find Java SE runtime environment.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Just please follow this, follow my instruction. We will install Java. Just observe it.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Right. I have opened the Chrome browser from my computer and I am navigating to Google. From this Google, once the page gets loaded, I'm gonna type JDK 11 download. That's all. And search for the first available option. Okay, the search has fetched me some result in which I'm interested in the website which tells it's from oracle.com. Can you see this? Java SC11 archive downloads. Can you see this? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Don't do anything parallelly. Please observe it. You have this recording after watching. I mean, you can do it by watching the recording. For now, please observe it. I'm going to click on this Java SC11 archive. You have to bear with me because I am showing this in an entirely new system, which is going to take some time. Okay, and we are at the landing page, and the first thing that I have to pay attention is, am I on the page where it tells Java SC11 archive downloads? Why it is telling archive? In the sense, the latest Java version is Java 22, but these Java 11 and all is a kind of an old software, and that is why it is telling that it's Java archived software, right? Then I will just scroll a bit down, keep scrolling a bit down till I come up to this section called as Java SC Development Kit. It is also called as JDK. Got it? Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So just keep scrolling a bit down till you find something called as Java 64, Windows into 64 installer, and which is of 141.39 megabytes, that is 141 MB. Just click on this link. Okay, you have to accept the license and click on download JDK. That's
So
it.
Santosh, I have a question. Like when I search from that types from my laptop, so I have already that JDK, that 20 version. Like, is it going to clash or something? And anything
No,
like
nothing else. Nothing else.
nothing will
Please
happen?
do.
Okay.
Nothing will
Okay.
happen. Please do observe it. Don't do anything parallelly.
Okay. Sure.
Please do observe it. And if you guys notice,
Sorry to interrupt, Shantosh. So is this only for we need to go 64 or 82 will also work?
nowadays no computer have the architecture of 82. Okay, it is only 64. Gone are the days where people used to download that 86. Okay, it's only
Okay,
64 nowadays,
understand. Thank
right?
you.
Okay, if you see, it is not directly downloading me the software, rather it is taking me to the login page of Oracle. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. For those people who don't have an account, okay, what you have to do is, okay, click on the link that is create account, and you have to give some information in this page. I will tell you. Come on, man. It's taking so much of time. It's still loading. Let it load. Meantime, if it is loading, I'll come back here. I already have my email ID. So santosh25@hotmail.com, and click on sign in, and the Java should be downloaded.
Santosh, which version are you telling us to? Because I see lots of them, 11.0, 11 point, so on.
Okay, one more thing. Guys, that's what I'm telling you. You guys trying to do parallelly. If you again try to do parallelly, it will create a confusion. So just please observe it. One more time. Let me show one more time. Internet. Okay. JDK 11 download. Okay. You see, all you have to focus is only till Java 11. Okay, this after 11, whatever it is, dot I mean 0.0.20, just ignore it. It has to be starting with Java SC Development Kit 11. Okay, it could be 11.1, 11.2, whatever it is, but it should start with 11. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
And also you have to look for this one, Windows into 64 installer, and don't care about that 32-bit or 86-bit and all, because it is no longer supported, right? And after you click on it, it will take you to the sign in page. See, you have to give your proper email address, that is your original email address, password which you needed for this site, not the email password, the password which is required for accessing this site. Your email ID, your password, your country, your first name, last name. So the sections which will confuse you is the job title, work phone, company name, company address, and this one. This is the section we need not to bother about. Job title, you can just give student, work location, you can give anything, or I will give India itself. In your case, you can give anything. The company name is again student work phone. Okay, I will just give some random phone number. Address is something Atlanta, and give the city name and give the zip code and create account. The confirmation email will be sent to your account for you to activate it first. Only then you will be able to download the software. Please download the software from oracle.com, and the software is